Hello guys, this is Kawanjong. I'm gonna show you a little bit about the video camera I bought today, Sony HXR NX100. So we're gonna see what's in here, okay? So this is the camera today. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, it's a little bit heavy. This is the lens. Oh yeah, this is very nice. So battery goes here. I think the battery is here. It's little weight about, I think I feel about 8 pounds. Yeah, it's professional camera. It's very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a different thing. Yeah, I think this goes to the eye. Alright. And the charger wire is here, I think. And they come with the remote, chargers here, and this is USB cable. This is the battery that comes with the camera, and I think this is the battery charger. Yeah, this comes with the battery charger too. And I'm going to show you another things. Okay, let's put this one inside. Now I'm going to remove this one. And it's the microphone. Audio Technica. Oh, this is very beautiful. See? So this one you need to buy separately. So if you don't need this one, actually, if you have this, is better. The better the audio quality. So it already has here, but you know, actually it's here, but I bought this one. It's much better if you have this one. And you have to buy separately, and also you have to buy the cable. This cable you have to buy separately too. Connect to here, and this one goes to the here. Once go here, so this one goes to the another mics. And this is very good camera, professional camera, and the recording mode is here, and this is zoom mode, and also zoom mode here too. the recording mode here too, you see. Yeah, and this is the screen. See, very nice. You can turn like this. Wow, this feels really comfortable. I feel this is really high quality. It's very nice camera. Yeah, and this one comes with the case too, so I can put here, Okay, next step is I'm gonna show you this one. I bought the extra battery. It's very good. Okay, you see, this is Sony also. This is the best one. And I bought this one too. So this one I bought this separately. This one is the tripod wheel, and my tripod will ship tomorrow. So this one and the tripod together about 250 something. And this is the case. Also I buy, that it doesn't come with it, so I have to buy separately. And this case is a 219. This is very good, and it's very hard, strong, and very nice. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you about my case. And it's open this way like this. Something. Yeah, it's very nice bag. Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you what's inside this box. So actually this is a tripod. I have here now 3 different tripods. Yeah, 2 different tripod right here, and another one very heavy duty and very strong, actually very strong tripod that's coming tomorrow delivery. And I have here now 2 more, include this one, 3. So this is the wheel for the tripod. So I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to show you this one first. And this is very high quality. It's very good, and that comes with a remote too. And okay, and this one is the wheel for the tripod. Very nice. Look at this. Wow. Little bit heavy. You see it? M Magnus DWF2. So if you want to order by the online, so but I bought it from the B&H. This is very high quality. I feel this is a high quality. and this is the big wheel, and this is the brake. You push it like this, then he's not going to moving. And this unlock, yeah, now it's moving. So I'm going to show you how to work this one. You can try it. So I don't want to show you everything, so actually like this, and that's be it. Yeah, this is very good. Yeah, so I spent today a lot of money. I spent like $3,000 and some change, but exclude these two things. I have this one already like 2 years ago. I use for my my different video camera. So this one is for this camera. I can use with that one too. But the tripod for this one coming tomorrow. So I will show you that once I get that. It's very much bigger than this. Yeah, that's it, guys. You're gonna pull this metal, this screw, okay, like this. Then it's coming up on this, and the same thing we're gonna do this one. See, and it's not too heavy, you know, but this is for the heavy duty, you know. It's very good. Close this one, just pull up again, that is good. Then you carry like this one too. It's very convenient, you know. It's very short too. So this comes with the bag. So this is the bag, okay. Link below description. So how to buy this one, you can buy from there, so I get some commission as well. Thank you very much for your watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.